Won't happen.
Yep.
Žiūrėk, kad aš tai pieščiau į...
Ne, lip per kitą pusę. What do you think of this? This is totally not my fault, by the way, because I was just talking to him.
I don't know, Liz did the same thing this morning and she did fine.
Mano draugė tą patį padarė šį... Doviukai!
Represent Vytas Raidė.
Let's try to see if he gets out.
Ne, turi virvę, gali.
Iš kur aš savo ištrauksiu virvę? Ne, neturiu. Negali pakelti? Taigi...
Gal nori pakelt?
Taigi kačelių neties lifetime. You're gonna fail at this.
Ne, nevaryk geriau, nevaryk. Arba subraišysi geriau virvę, vis prie priekį ištempti.
This is funny. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Okay.